Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u anni. Katna transport ka sarkar Meghalaya klasdang mania chakmat ha ke jingthmu ban wanra no da ka mobility aggregator am nagabenta ki kali kamai ber ki arshaka. Ndai ka jing shakri jing ya pai ba ha ke jilla kadang dan bun ki jing ki ba ki pai ba ki kendu man kasni. Nagabenta ka negatna transport kala khot ya baro ki seng juki nongñiah taxi, tourist taxi, bus, auto rickshaw, bad ki jilla mobility aggregator banishim benta ha ka jingilang jingin silong halor ka app badang penkret da ka sarkar jilla. La pelongi ka ni ka jingilang ha state central library shillong ha ka khalai turik unaitung arhajar arpendriu. Apo ka jingilam jeng u commissioner and secretary katna transport ki head officer ki bleder nang ki kentup yo deputy commissioner ka East Khas Hills Abilash Baranwal ADC Shanbor Wardri MCS District Transport Officer DTO Arhinj Superintendent of Police City Dangsan Karim MPS but Superintendent of Police Traffic Hari Prasan MRIPS Karkum ka jingithu jong u District Transport Officer East Khas Hills ba Arhinj ka jingelang kalongkat kum ka jingtha jong Assistant Commissioner of Transport Meghalaya ban yaslok bat shim jingmut na baro ki badan benta ha ka kam jingyat kali pat ba shaban pentre kam mi kanika am Iseng ki bla shakot ki long ka East Khas Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association ka sunjuk ki nongñiah taxi sor khapsor New Trap Tourist Taxi Association All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association Shillong City Bus Syndicate Modtran Auto Rickshaw Owners and Drivers Association Baki Jilla Aggregator Ibakenthuk Jets 24 by 7 Taxi and E-Ride Taxi by Laiwani Taxi Aggregator Twad Transport kalau tempat ya baru kiseng berkenanya akaliban ai ya ki jingmut jukakan ba jinga trailang knang ba mobility aggregator app kana trekam ha ban pensuk ya ki shakri pat ba ban wanwa ka kon trekam ka ba khampat ba shai ba jinga kali ha ka kam jinga kali pat ba
and rules so that all of you solution for all the different types of passenger vehicles that are operating, small passenger vehicles that will be operating within Meghalaya. Whether it is tourist taxis, whether it is city taxis, whether it will be bike taxis, all of these will be given an opportunity to be onboarded on this app, and anyone who is a resident of Meghalaya or a tourist can easily utilize these services. But the most beautiful part of this is that there won't be any commission, and I believe that I have to congratulate the transport department and I mean the overall vision of the government and the Honorable CM sir, and I think that this is first of its kind initiative in entire India. While in rest of India there has been either of the two solutions. There has been Uber and Ola, which has overtaken the local taxi associations, local taxi unions, and has kind of eaten into the share of the business that they used to have. Or there is no such solution which exists. For example, in Goa, if you go, it is similar to what we have in Shillong or in Meghalaya. But the beauty of this solution is that it takes care of the interest of the taxi drivers, of the bike taxis, while simultaneously being a progressive solution in line with the way the world is moving. So it is a solution which takes care of the concerns of the service providers, while simultaneously ensuring that they are not left behind, and ultimately is going to be a win-win solution for the people as well as the service providers, which will be the bike taxis, taxi drivers, and the tourist taxi drivers. So I personally, as Deputy Commissioner, would like to thank all of you for being present in this very important meeting, and I again believe that this is to the foresight of the government that it is having this consultative meeting so that whatever concerns are there can be onboarded, can be taken account for before this solution is launched, so that it is something which is acceptable to all. So thank you for being here, and I look forward for a very fruitful and productive discussion. Thank you.
Future, like mobility future for Meghalaya going forward. It's like we'll just like start with a slow presentation. So yeah. So there is
for you. A new era in mobility is here, built by the government of Meghalaya for Meghalaya's drivers. Where switching is no longer your job, it's ours. More demand, more customers found for you, and every rupee goes straight to you. No commissions, no cuts. From insurance to dedicated driver support, we're with you every step. This is our roadmap, built with Meghalaya's driver associations, backed by the government of Meghalaya. A new era has arrived, and this time it belongs to you. Join us.
Okay, so what usually happens in most of the places like across the country, aggregators somehow really doesn't work out. Okay, because the prices are different, because the situation, the geography, geology, everything is different. Okay, so that is the reason the government of Meghalaya has thought of bringing more rewards to the driver, so that the drivers can actually earn more, whereas the government support from the government would be there for them, so that the society will grow, the driver community will grow, there will be more money to the driver, so that the tourist also get that particular, let's say, better service. Will be obviously helping to get that deck and everything, but it has to be suggested by you. What is the prices that you are looking for? What kind of flow that we are asking for? What kind of customers that we are looking for? And where exactly there should be places. So yeah, this is the entire thing to be designed by consultation with you. So what we are going to gain with this particular thing? So the major aim is to grow the per day income to the drivers. That is the major thing that we have been discussing. Second thing, it would be zero commission. There would be, so you must have heard, like say in Uber and Ola, there is like particular commission to the every trip. Okay, so we'll consider this is going to be the zero commission model across, like so forever. The customer should directly pay to the driver. That is what really happening in the offline market also, and we should just replicate to the digital when it is getting digitized. So the customer would pay directly to the driver. There is no middleman, there is no intermediary, so that you get the entire money. And there will be a dedicated support for all the drivers. Okay, whenever there would be some kind of issue with the app, like some kind of customer issue, you can directly reach out to the support center. So why we are here? So there are 4 things that we are looking from all of you. We need your suggestion to make it better. Give honest feedback. It can be anything. It can be related to the app. It can be related to the.
Kata kaji mana pun di customer di kanuan rai kaji kio kaji niok kaji kot kaji kamai kaji kejongki. Kama ada orang kanun dan kanu ka commission na ni ka pai kajna ka fair ka bakan sim na kalian ka transport department. Lada sim di download ikini ka app. Lada pila ka Uber ka Ola. Ini private companies gitu. Dai na itu ki charge ka commission. Tapi na try creative ika ta barang file. Dai. Andre lada ni ka Meghalaya on app. Namar pa ka app jongka jila Meghalaya. Na benda ki priu jongka Meghalaya. Na benda ki nongñiah kali jongka Meghalaya. Kani ka commission ba ka fair ka niong ka jingsim ka nakaliang ka sarkar kan numdan na kilaray ba ka 0% commission ba ka bay khajana nakaliang ka sarkar. Kabalay ka jingmut ka bakin IP ka long piyo direct payment. Naman ba ka don ka option ka bakin ki brio mangile mata mo isi ri PTM na ni Google Pay abay ya thi hayeng asam to kum jo hi link ba ka ni ka app ro ki brio ki laban si direct siya ka GPay na ni ka PTM ka jong pi ba tu ka laban ni direct siya ka bank account ka jong pi claim ka don kam bandai siya ki way party ki brio ki ba dabio ho ila ni credit emerging mode lada sibu banta ngasmo tu upon na pwede ni penya kali ki try kali deh na ki ham ko bakut kasni try kung nongñiah kali hiru ki siyo si try kali kung kita deh ti lada limba kan ka direct payment ka pila ban tip hakishis ni ka no pila ban pi kamai mak na pare kata pila ban kain pandia nang pila ban ay siyo si try kali jok hiru pada kai kapasal ka kata dedicated driver support hakani nakalian ka department kila kin secret doi ka way ka laban pa ka team ka bakidon gini officials ki jomi barang ni kadang ka dedicated team ka banyarap ya pila na pidon kino kijing jing ata team ki ba pia tako hakaba pandai ka bayai ba kijing pidon kami ka app hako shubu banta ladan pidon jing ata team kumno ban click ikini ki mobile app akin priang la dia reject ki customer ki jomi lani pa banle naka shillong le kamai ko kiwi district lani Shabazan ke district nadan pino gini officials ki staff jongi balaban ay jira ka jokti but Kani ka app ru interle ru aktin local language ka bunyo kanle aktin khasi tin si kin persang ru aktin garu bat ru kunju ru aktin pare. Next. Ai ni jingmut ki jongpi ki suggestions ki jongpi ki biyo aktin pare. Often ai ni ka ek jing small ka jongpi ka feedback re ka baki omok ki small kumno ka jing terwaja sarkar berten try kami kani ka ka balai ka long bakin ya try lang bagi kum kuai ka team lagi kum kuai ka group kenang bangin la banyo hai ka kamai ka jing jongpi penyo ban company ka yo ka jongpi banu banyak dalam bagi hati jing temu tiba kejipun serta ni kalau benai yang di jimentoy jadi driver kejongi dan kibajoy ni ke app next bang Play Store ke jongki kemudian download ke WhatsApp atau tablet dengan sawan ke option yang yang tu apabila ban jit kalau yang ke language nanti ke kentin mau ke kuat berkan ke kasih lagi le sedikit ke bandai negara le sedikit garu lagi berkamu comfortable lagi paling kebikin paling ayu putihnya dan Hindi also language so कि दो टीचरों की बात है कि हिंदी जिसको हिंदी आता है वो हिंदी वर्जन यूज कर सकता है तो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लैंग्वेज का